What's up, dudes? Well, I just walked into that motor. Shit. Anyway, I think winter's here. It's cold outside. It's a super windy day, so if I try to film outside, it's not gonna work out good. But today, I'm gonna have to change the oil in the rig. And when I say rig, I'm talking about that black pickup truck I was using all year, all summer. It's my dad's truck. He was nice enough to let me use it, so I figured I should maintain it for him. So I'm gonna bring that inside the garage here, make a little bit of room since I have room. Do that stuff in the comfort of my own shop. And yeah, let's change some oil. Okay, truck's off the ground, jack stands underneath for safety, and the engine oil is draining. Got some new oil in the car. I'll go get that while it's draining out and stuff, and I'm sure we'll get company, so I won't be able to film everything, but this is basic maintenance, right? You guys don't really need to know what's going on. Try to get underneath the truck here. You can see that the drain plug is over here. Put the drain plug back. The drain plug on these motors, it's believe it or not, this is actually a 6-cylinder engine. This is Chevy's 4.3. Don't tell nobody. Drain plug, that's a 13 mil. Seems kind of a weird size, I guess. Well, let's take the oil filter off. Oh, haha, grody. All right, once that's done, stops dripping. We want to clean off where the oil filter sits a little bit, just to get a nice proper seal. And in case you didn't know, when it comes to your filter, take some clean oil and like rub your finger around the seal with clean oil, and that just helps seal everything up. Nice and smooth. So throw these on. They only got to be finger tight because for some reason when you put them on finger tight, they end up being a lot tighter than you thought it would be. That should be good. Let's get it from underneath this beast, put her back on the ground, and fill up some oil. Come with me. Now for the super fun part. How good is your aim? Can you get it in the hole? Oh, that's a whole lot of motor missing. You guys gotta see this. Look at that, look at all the room in there for more motor. That's pretty crazy. Here's a little trick for you. When you're pouring your oil, sometimes you wanna just hold it like this, right? Pour it in. But if you turn it, the air bubbles end up here, and you don't get that weird gluk, 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 and all that crap. So it makes it a little easier to pour, make your target, and stay on target. It's supposed to take 4.5 liters. So it's pretty much the whole thing. I'm just gonna let that oil settle for a few moments, and then we'll check the dipstick and see how it works out. You don't wanna overfill the oil, like ever, because it's bad. It's bad. Anus, you dipstick. Last thing to do, let's check this oil level. It's right at the max line. It almost looks like a bit more, but so let's call that right. Let's call that a day. So there it is. That's how you change the oil on a Chevy pickup with a 4.3. I know it's kind of disturbing to think that this truck has a 4.3 in it. It's only a V6. It looks like a big engine truck. It looks like something heavy duty, and a lot of people love it. I love it. Look at this. Look at it. She's gorgeous. So the future of this truck is kind of unknown. We have something else that we're going to build the haul cars around, and we're debating if this is going to be sold or not. But until then, just keep checking in. You'll see what's up. Things are gonna happen soon with it, so I gotta get a haircut. So I'm out of here for now. That'll be it for today. Short and sweet, but hey, at least I got to hang out with you guys. So thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, little notification so you get notified. and I'll do my best to keep bringing content to you. Thank you again so much for watching. Peace out. Stay happy.